Usimbut Menteri Rangba ubas ni bahalang dhar haba jubab igijingkeli bala Wanrah adu nongilam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma bat ke MLA ke TMC ke rupa marak. Hagabaya day bat ke jinglong jingman jong ke Liengsuiñ ke Baljek Airport Hajengjal. Ulapan pau ba menta kani ke Liengsuiñ kampat trekam setia. Ke Sorkar kadang yakren bat ke Airport Authority of India ban pelong ya ke ban trekam na ke benta ke Liengsuiñ ke bala ban kit khat khandai hadu at phangmut. Ulapan tip ba ka jinglut baro na ka benta ban penroy ka Liengsuiñ hadu menta kasngi ka long lai klur san phonyau lang khandai phonyau hajar nyau spa nya pusan lingka uba dhar ula batai ba ka jing penslem ka dei namar ki babon ki daw haba jubab ka jingkli bala Wanrah da UMLA ka TMC uba Charles Pingrop Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ulong ba udang budin shimet ya kani ka kam haki kerdan beper what happening ki katu kat ni kimat ki bapen slam ka Sorkar ka shimkhya ban pentikna ya ka jing penhe ya ka umroi bat ka jing penya ya ki Liengsuiñ ramai.
So the main reason of delay is there's too many factors, so I will take little time to clarify properly on this because this issue is very important. Here side is the facts that the airport was inaugurated on 2008, 23 October. And from that time, after the inauguration of the airport is non-operational till today. And one of the main reasons was that because the reason was due to the lack of airline operator because no one shown their interest to operate with the smaller aircraft. That is point number one.
The viability of landing larger aircrafts will be possible because we are talking about a project which will last more than 50 years. So if you look forward, probably the necessity of having a larger aircraft landing in Baljek will be necessary. So will the government look into the matter and have it examined in the first instance so that we won't have a repetition of what is happening in Umrah?
Very strong message to the House that we are very committed to this airport. We will ensure that both Umrah, the expansion takes place, commercial planes land, and we will also ensure that flights start operating from Baljek Airport. So this commitment we are making, we are very sure, we are working very hard on this. We're not talking about it too much.
Menteri